Welcome to 360 Plus, your trusted partner in professional photography and creative solutions. Today, we're excited to walk you through the process of remote product photography. In this video, we will be showcasing the unboxing of laboratory glassware and lab equipment. At 360 Plus, we ensure your products are handled with care and precision to deliver stunning visuals for your business. Here we are unboxing a shipment of laboratory glassware and lab equipment from one of our clients. As you can see, the products arrived safely and securely at our studio. This highlights the reliability of remote photography. No need to worry about the condition of your products. Our studio is equipped with professional lighting and advanced camera setups, ensuring your products look their absolute best. Shooting in a controlled studio environment allows us to capture every detail with precision. This gives you higher quality photos compared to on-site photography, where variables like lighting and background can be challenging. At 360 Plus, we understand the value of your time and convenience. With remote photography, you don't need to be on-site or worry about logistics. You simply send your products to our studio and we take care of everything from unboxing to the final product shots. Shooting in a professional studio gives us control over the lighting, backdrop, and overall environment, which ensures the highest quality results. On-site shooting can often come with distractions and uncontrollable elements like poor lighting, background clutter, or unexpected interruptions. Remote photography at our studio removes these challenges, guaranteeing a superior outcome. Once the photo shoot is complete, we edit the images to perfection, providing you with high-resolution, clean, and professional photos that are ready to showcase your products to the world. Whether it's for a catalog, e-commerce website, or promotional materials, we ensure your products stand out. At 360 Plus, we specialize in remote product photography for all types of businesses. Whether you're in the laboratory equipment industry, fashion, beauty, or beyond, we have got you covered. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help you elevate your product imagery to the next level. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for part 2, where we'll demonstrate the techniques we use to shoot glassware products with precision. Trust 360 Plus for all your creative design, website development, and professional photography needs.